University of Visayas for the 43rd Cebu Popular Festival. Production ka? Doc Henry Malangit, our Vice President for Cebu Filmmakers, guys. For the 43rd Cebu Popular Music Festival, a tribute to Senior Santo Niño. With Senior Cebu. I shall be performing. What's your composition?
Ikaw ra.
Ikaw ra. From, what's the name mo?
Me, Grace Fernando.
From
Leyte.
Good luck, Leyte. Sir Sam Costanilla, guys, President of Cebu Filmmakers Network, hosting for tonight's 43rd Cebu Popular Festival here in Cebu. Good luck sa talang contestants, sir. What's your composition?
Interpreter ko sa ikaduha nga kanta.
What's your title?
Ikaduha.
Ikaduha title. From
Naga.
Good luck.
Composer.
Ito, composer.
Lyricist.
What song?
Batanong Subuano.
Nice. Your name is?
Jennifer Ito.
From?
Clarion May Dumancas from Talisay.
Ay, duman ka sa Bohol. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Good luck on ya.
Thank you.
Nice. Guys, composer from Cebu. Unsa name mo?
Paul Rosa.
From?
Manila.
Unsa imong kanta gi-compose?
Kaduha.
Ay, kaduha. Kato siya. Okay. Sige, good luck. Guys, another interpreter. Your name is?
Neil Andre Habido.
From?
Inatilan.
Inatilan ka na yun.
But here sa Cebu, sa Bohol.
Ikaw, interpreter kasi composer sa imong kanta.
Silang Drew Fuentes, si Paris, wala pa sila.
Okay.
Coming pa.
Alright, good luck. Thank you. Film ka po?
Ako lang,
Adom to categories, no?
but sa young one ko.
Alright. Hey guys, this is a situation backstage. Pre-show for the 43rd Cebu Popular Festival happening here at the University of Visayas Gym in Cebu City in honor of the Senior Santo Niño. Pit Senior, everyone! And the show is about to start. This is the current situation of the area. Hey guys, the University of Visayas Choir. Yay! They're gonna be doing the Lupagira and what else?
Invocation.
Okay. What's up na? Invocation. Okay. Good luck, guys. Pit Senior. Bro! Come on, girl. Good luck.
Thank you, bro.
Ang fan. Yes, JR. Paano siya? Lisod na kapilido ni Moy. That 24 Sinulog Idol. Katong fan niya po. Pero karon he's joining interpreter niya. What's song ni mo? Original song?
Yeah.
Pwede ka may sample chorus part.
Kasakit ang dalang man na balik pa.
Good luck, bro. Laters.
And we would like to greet
Happy birthday, Dr. Gerald Tony Cuya.
Ilaw, 10% for a total of 100%. 3.1 Favorite Music Radio Cebu, mga ka-vibes, mauna ni si DJ Langga Nena Avellante Esquerra.
Quiet Trainer, sa Children of Mary Cathedral Unit.
Papangalan. Kaatiyan kayo. A round of applause everybody for Tita Emma Velosa. Kami dito sa wala yoy model o question sa bisan.
Hello, ako, how are you? Isama ka.
Guwapo gihapon. Ura pag ikaw, guwapo gihapon.
Sobra na. Sobra na. The composers for Sobra na. Sobra na. From Cebu. Yeah.
Tirungan sa University. Si Eunice mismo ang lyricist. Inabagan ni Carl Franz Putinga. Nining awita, mo iniskutan ang iyong one-sided love affair. Yang sa karelasyon dili mo dugay kung sa duha ka binuhan usara ang manikamang apusahin tabang.
That's a grand champion.
Okay naman, hindi na